Guys, sila ma'am kasi sir. Pa, ganda. Ando na po sila ma'am. Dito pa po. Papalabas na rin po. Nasa lubong ko sila ma'am Tucci.
So, nakasalubong mo si Ma'am Tucci.
Opo. Sir, nandito na sila.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Guys, mag-move kami sa Snake Island. Siyempre yung sun, oh, nasa harap ako ng init. Nilabanan ko siya. Nilabanan ko yung init, oh. Ikaw ang init at ako naman ang tubig. Matutunaw ka sa tubig na aking dala. Oh, di ba? Nababaw lang siya guys, oh. Pero bawal daw tumalon kasi may maliit na kiti-kiti. Kakatin ka.
So, guys, by the way, we're here just to look at the Snake Island.
The sandbar is
The sandbar Snake Island. So, okay, Ben, where's the Snake Island, the sandbar?
Right now, ma'am, the sandbar is covered by water because it's high tide.
Ay, ganun.
Right now, it's covered by water because it's high tide. So, we have to dive to see the sandbar.
We need to go down to the water and then walk and then follow through at the shallow part of sandbar.
Shallow part, ganun ba?
Yes po. It's like, ano lang ma'am, nasa level lang po ng ating...
Walang sandbar,
Okay.
walang Snake Island.
Okay, ito naman sasabi ko, ni-rent natin ang private boat na ito.
See the sandbar.
Yung sandbar.
Mag-wine na lang tayo. Hindi pa makahanap ng shade kasi ayaw kong arawan.
Ay, ganun pala nga.
Well, palubog na rin ma'am.
Palubog.
Ayan na po, ayan na po.
Ayan.
Ayun ang
Ayan.
Parang kanina, where's the sunrise? Ayan na, where's the sun na? Where's the sandbar?
So, nahuli kami sa sunrise. Ngayon, nag-sunset na. Oh.
Pwede na siya stop.
Okay, stop na kasi magchichismisa kami ni Ate. Delikado.
So, habang hindi ka nagsasalita, ang hirap po sumingit sa inyo. Ganun sabi niya. Totoo pala.
Wala pa na
Totoo ba? Totoo.
Oo, medyo busy po kasi may pintuhan niyo po.
Ganda naman yung paggamit.
Dedicated commercial break kailangan eh.
Dalawa na yun.
Guys, like we found the island here.
Teka, wag muna picture muna.
Okay, picture daw muna. So,
I will like this.
Okay, but, so guys, according to Ben, yung guide namin, it's middle tide ba, dear? Dear what?
Middle tide daw. Nagulat ako, may middle tide.
Oh, may middle tide. So, we cannot see the Snake Island sandbar. So, accidentally, we found this place and may bar. My gosh, it's so nice there. So, nandito kami, nag-chill. So, let's go and look what's inside. Oh, nagbabasketball na sila. Wow, ang ganda ng bar. Guys, ang ganda ng bar. So, Ben, what's this?
Kudugnon Cave.
Kudugnon, ano?
Kudugnon Cave.
Kudugnon Cave and may rock formation inside. So let's go and look. Okay, babe, lead mo ko because I don't want to get the pump. Okay. Wow. And, oh, there's night fun inside. Wow. It's nice here.
Can I follow you?
Yeah, come on, David. Oh, but it's dark now. Careful. Wait. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Cave.
Joy, kaya mo.
Opo, sir.
Hindi. Joy.
Oh,
Hawakan mo si Joy.
kaya ko ma'am.
Kaya. So, okay. Wow. Beautiful water.
Yeah.
I thought it's a pipe. It's not. It's a root. It's a root. Oh my gosh. It's from the tree, no? Wow. Amazing. Hi, David. Hi, David. Wow.
Look at this.
The stalactite and stalagmite is connecting each other that we call column.
Column. Stalagmite?
Stalagmite from the ground up.
Oh,
Stalactite from the sea.
look
From the
how
sea.
gorgeous.
Bye-bye, Kudugun Cove. Bye, thank you po. Okay po, bye-bye. Asan si Ma'am? Ay, Ma'am, halika na. Andyan na po. Oh. Andun na sila.
I know, oh my God, we have to go.
Opo, Ma'am.
Let's go, Locke. Oh my God, nandun na sila.
Opo, opo.
Shortcut. Oh my gosh, let's go.
Opo, akin yung towel po.
Bye.
Akin yung towel, Ma'am.
Okay.
Isa pa po. Akin na.
Bye. Thank you. It's okay, they're waiting for us na. Oh my God, I
Oh
thought
my God, it's pitch black.
huge block is so
Can't see anything.
Oh, who's that?
Sir Michael.
So guys, we're back to the mountain.
Hi guys, we're back in Loggins Resort. Ayun na yung sundo namin papunta doon sa room.
Wow, we just arrived.
Alright. Okay, we just arrived.
You know, we just arrived.
Just arrived.
Si Ma'am Karen saka si Ma'am Nag.
Ay, uy, good night, guys. See you tomorrow, ba?
Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Loggins Resort.
Heaven or Kevin? Yung naliligaw yung
Ayan guys, di ba?
Wait,
Naggabihan na kami. Yan. Kasi kasi nag-chill-chill po sila sa Kugugon Cove.
Nag-basketball.
Nag-basketball po sila.
Okay, we decided to swim first and then have dinner and then shower. Okay? So, lot order na tayo ng food.
Opo, ma'am. Thank you po.
So nice to swim at night and the water is so warm. So, okay guys, after this we'll eat dinner and tomorrow we'll have lunch at Pangalusian and dear, Pangalusian. Pangalusian.
It's, well, I say it Pangalusian.
Ako rin eh. Pangalusian.
Ano?
Pangalusian. Nakikita ba yung legs ko? Ay, ayoko. Galawin ko para hindi makita yung 7 minutes.
Hindi ma'am kita, single light niya kasi
Okay, we're
nasa tubig siya.
Si Roll and hi. So okay, after this, we'll eat dinner and tomorrow we'll have a long day. I'm looking forward to our lunch. And then what else? You will do other activities. So I'm excited. So ikaw lot, mag-swimming ka din.
Apo ma'am.
Oo, sige swimming ka na. Mag-batting shoot ka. Okay.
Okay po.
And I ordered burger for you.
Oh, thank you po ma'am. Apo.
Okay, what's your food? Oh my God, I love the pizza. Burger, pasta. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's eat. Wow, I love this. I'll get the pizza. Yeah. So, let's eat it.
Apo ma'am.
I'm having burger for tonight, and then tomorrow we'll have fantabulous lunch. So, okay, I'm looking forward to it. So, nag-diet na lang ako. Okay, lot eat na.
Apo ma'am. PJ, Tim, and Mike's, order your food na. Look, we're having breakfast right now. Order na and wake up. Nagki-cleaning sila. Yan. Good morning, guys. Yan, pupunta po ako ngayon sa clubhouse para mag-breakfast po. Kasi sila ma'am, nasa room lang po silang breakfast. Nagpa-room service po sila. Kaya ako na lang po pupunta ngayon sa clubhouse. Good morning po. Ay, si Ma'am Karen, saka si David, nandiyan na. Saka si Lucas. Good morning po, ma'am. Sila man po doon sa room po, nag-breakfast lang po. Nagpa-home service. Ayan po guys, yung clubhouse po nila dito. Yan. Walang tao kasi yung iba na sa room na lang kumain ng breakfast. Sige po guys, kakain na po kami. Ma'am?
Good morning! So, Lot, we're going for lunch today and let's get ready, okay? Okay
Opo.
ba yun? Thank God, guys. Ang gulo-gulo ko, look. This is early morning. This is how we look. Kasi guys, yung hair namin, very salty. Swimming kami, look. So, lot, anong breakfast mo?
Tosino po, tsaka tapa.
Ang camera mo. Sobra ka po. Ang ganda ng outfit eh, kasandali. Okay, ayan, si Lot, ayan. Very sexy and slim. Okay?
Thank you po.
Very nice outfit. Naka-rush guard. Ano yan? Ano?
Binili niyo po to, ma'am.
Saan ka binili?
Sa Boracay po.
Sa Boracay.
Kahapon yung suot ko, bilhin niyo yung Karen.
Ni Ma'am Karen. Wow. Okay, mga rush guard mo, ha?
Ito sa Green Hills.
Green Hills. Okay, this is Lots
Ito po yung
Okay.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Very good. Very international. Sige, ready na ako.
Opo.
Okay. Sige, see you there. Here, walking na. Keep walking. So guys, good morning. Okay, so we're on our way to Pangasinan. We'll do some water activities. It's so hot. Later, we'll have a fantabulous lunch. There's a PJ na ba yan? PJ! Hi, Blanca! Yes! Oh, you look so sexy. That's Blanca. Oh, okay, and look how beautiful the view. So, okay, nandyan. Ay, you're in the boat na.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, let's go faster.
Sexy of the back. Igiling mo ng giling na parang walang buto. Kimbot mo ng kimbot na parang nalilito. You look at Six Bomb Rochelle Panganiban. That's the leader of the Six Bomb. Hello guys, sa next destination, sa malayong lugar, kami pupunta. Whole day po kami ngayon sa dagat, guys.
Enjoy, have fun.
Thank you po.
See you later.
Hello guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Palusian. Pangulasian. Yan. Simple si ma'am po.
Yes, we're now in Pangasinan.
Pangulasian.
Pangasinan and we have lunch.
Dito kami ngayon sa Palusigan.
So the snorkeling area here is from behind you all the way to the west side of this island.
There.
So we just ask not to touch the corals. They're very important. So for
So bulat, you're there.
here on the island. Specific to this island, we have monitor lizards, bayawa. So we just want you to know that they have tried taking items from our guests before, including cell phones. So please keep your valuables close to you as much as possible.
So, okay. There's dirty ice cream. Wow. Auntie Alice's favorite. Babe, your favorite dirty ice cream. Who wants dirty ice cream? Lot, there's dirty ice cream if you like. That's Auntie Alice's
Free po, ma'am.
Yan. Wala pang bread. You know what?
Ma'am, there's a monkey.
Guys, may baby shark. Yan guys, may baby shark. Punta natin. The baby shark. Yan guys, so baby shark. Baby shark. Pap. Baby shark. Ay, pa-chill-chill sila. Ayan. Ganda pala guys pag summer, no? Nakikita mo lahat. Mga likod, mga legs, mga outfit. Yan, makita mo yung mga outfit nila pag summer day.
And waiting for we're waiting for lunch. Oh damn! The best vlogger all over the Philippines, for the Philippines. Go Tim! Go Tim!
Oh guys, I'm so like everything.
Wow, my God!
So okay, we're having our lunch here by the pool. And of course, you Lot, are you enjoying your food?
Opo ma'am, thank you po.
Sarap na?
Opo.
Okay. And Timmy, are you enjoying your lunch?
Of course.
And by the way, the beach is behind me. The burrata is so good. The fish. And we have this planter. My God, I have to try this later with my wine. And of course, tomahawk. So, okay, we're having fun here. So sarap. The food. So, see you later at the beach.
That's literally what I do.
I'm copying Tim. Sorry, I'm copying him.
Ay guys, palis po sila Sir Tim saka Sir Michael. Mag-sipap po sila.
Hindi siya baka matulog yan.
Guys, mag-sipap sila po. Sila mag-swimming under the water.
Also, Phil is resting here in Pangalucia. Okay, we have a room for the afternoon. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful here. I love the view. Where's God?
Ayan, tulog.
Oh, he's here. Oh my God, Phil.
Lak, ma'am. Yung susi na ano.
My God, Phil is there.
Tulog siya.
Phil is meeting. Oh, come. Hello, Phil. Oh my God, it's so snug up here. Oh my God, what a beautiful room. Phil's sleeping here. Okay, and we're all there. Look how beautiful here. Oh my God, I love the rooms. Oh my God, what a gorgeous bathroom. So, okay, there are 2 sinks. Very nice lounging chair. And I love this. These are for the spray. Oh, bottle. Thank you. And we have coffee and water here. We have a bar. So, okay, this room is by the beach and let's just swimming sila, Tin. Tin, come. And there's a bar in the middle of the water. There's a bar there. So, lot, dyan ka pala mag-lounge and gusto mo maghamok.
Apo, ma'am.
Oh, sige. Okay, mag-relax ka na. I'll take a nap lang, ha?
Okay po, ma'am.
Okay.
Go! Don't bump me! Don't bump me! Faster! 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 Ayo, that's sick!
So, Blanca, okay, you'll stay there na? Okay, lunch. Oh my God! Si Lot, kaya pala wala sa room. Lot, anong ginagawa mo? Oh my gosh, itong...
Kala ko natutulog po kayo.
Okay, I'm gising na. Lot! Sobra na tong lot na to. Nako. Okay, si Blanca pa ang tiga-push mo, ha? Guys, oh my God, etong si Lot, may tiga-push ng hamak. Meron, oh my God, I love it here.
Hangin ka, ma'am. Sexy legs.
Sexy legs. Hi! Okay, we're going back to Lagen. Just woke up from a very long rest. The team are done with their water activities. We'll go back to Lagen Resort and we'll have dinner and we'll do the e-bike. Yung chiller bike. We're going back to the clubhouse and meet the whole gang. So guys, it's time to leave na talaga Pangalucian kasi we'll go to Talula and the Big Lagoon. We'll go around there and then we'll have 8 o'clock dinner. Oh my God, look at the setup. So beautiful. Dinner time here later.
Oh, someone has a dinner here.
Oh my gosh, I'm regretting I just lie down on the roof. I'm regretting it. I just lie down in the villa while I can have the chiller bike and the Seabob. Sayang. They did it. Bye, Eunice.
Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
So we're now in Talula. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Dapat dito tayo nag-swimming.
That's what I mean kasi hindi mainit. Oh.
Guys, ito kami ngayon sa Big Lagoon. Ayun, di ba?
Lot. Wait for the sunset.
Ay, ma'am, sunset na po, oh.
Hindi yan sunset. Lot.
Ano
Ano pa? Later pa.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
20 minutes.
Sus, ginoo po.
Okay?
Opo, ma'am.
I'll take a photo of the sunset.
Okay po, opo.
Okay, so I'll go to my room. Give me my bag.
Okay po.
Is this my bag?
Opo. Saka yung cheese po, yan.
Okay, sige, okay.
Okay po, ma'am.
Oh, mag-swimming ka. Mag-batting shoot ka na, ha? Guys, si Lotlot, ma'am, pwede na ako mag-batting shoot. For memories, not for posting.
Pang ano?
Yan ang lagi niya sinasabi, for memories.
Memories lang.
Hindi ko alam kung ano. Okay, ang ganda ng outfit.
Thank you po, ma'am. Tago lang to. Sunset's going down. Pag mababa na yan, guys, madilim na siya. Madilim na yung panahon. Ayan na, malapit na siyang bumaba. Malapit na madilim ang panahon. Wala na. Bumaba na siya.
So, okay, we'll have dinner here later at Dea's Cove. And we'll have seafood, boodle fight.
So this particular one is native from Palawan.
Hi, babe.
Good morning, guys. Okay, it's our last day here in El Nido, and we're gonna have breakfast. Okay, yung mga boys, what do you think?
Ang galing mo tumang para sexy.
Can you like that? Oh, I like that, yung brown. Michael, are you gonna have breakfast? Oh, they're still sleeping. No one's answering. So, okay, we'll have breakfast. I don't know, I'm not sure if we're going to the Big Lagoon because later we'll go to Leo and then head to the airport. So, okay, now let's have breakfast. Where's Phil? Wala akong umbrella.
Si ma'am, pretty. Okay, so, ano yan guys, naka-beating shot yan sa loob.
Ah, very tanga.
Ah.
Very tanga.
Pero exclusive lang yung pwedeng makatingin sa loob. Not to all the people in the
People
world.
that wanna see my butter.
Yes.
It's too sexy. Guys, I got this lampshade from the roof. Wow, I wanna swim.
Palakihan sila ng sombrero guys, kay Sir Umbrella, kay ma'am yun, no? Mahiwagang mahiwari. Mahiwagang mahiwari.
Yeah, there's umbrella everywhere.
We're going na. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sorry, paalis na po kami.
May naulog pa ng sombrero, bumalik pa. Yun. Okay, spinal, go to the airplane.
Oh, we're now here at Bahay Artisano. Look how gorgeous! So ganda! So my God, how gorgeous! Okay, look, my God, this is like the walls. Okay, I love the walls. Ganda din. I love the walls. So guys, thank you for my audio bag. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Oh my God, guys, nag-chill ako. Ang sarap ng relax. Biglang si Philip said, Babe, magbihis ka na, bilis. Bakit? May magkakabit ng tint, i-vlog mo. Para may content ka. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's go. Let's look. What's that? Guys, since magsasummer na daw, sabi ni Phil, i-try namin yung magpapasample siya dito ng paglagay ng tint for heat resistant, di ba? Okay, let's see guys kung anong gagawin ng mga technician. Eto na pala.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon.
Oo.
Ngayon ma'am, nag-aano kami ng tip natin for Expel Vision, for architectural film, ma'am, maganda to.
Okay.
Kasi ito ma'am, yung film natin is clear lang siya at the same time.
Dito? Pagsasample
Doon tayo ma'am banda sa may pool para mas kita po natin.
Pero hindi ba magiging blurry or baka hindi na ma-clear yung glass
Ay,
namin?
hindi ma'am. Ang kagandahan kasi sa film natin to ma'am, clear lang po siya at the same time, mataas po yung heat rejection
Oh.
and mataas din po yung glare reduction niya.
Oh, Oh,
So,
how do you call that?
Expel Vision Clearview Plus 7.
Okay. So, magsasample kayo?
Yes,
Isang
ma'am, for
panel.
one panel.
Ay, okay, sige. Gusto ko makita.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi nag-relax ako, si Philip, bigla akong pinataya.
Yes,
Eh,
ma'am.
nakakagawa.
We're here na
Oo,
po.
ito pala yun. Ayun, si Phil masyado excited. Ang pakita. O sige,
Yes,
gusto
po, ma'am. Okay.
Oh my gosh, parang meron siyang shade ng a little bit of gray and
Yes,
brown.
ma'am. 70% kasi yung pinaka-visibility line transmission niya. Pero pag na-install na po siya, it's been clear na po.
Sure ka, Mayra, ha? Oo, sure, ha? Baka hindi yan clear. Oo. Pero talagang heat resistant yan.
Yes po. Up to 94 heat, ang heat rejection niya, ma'am. Then, ang kagandahan din niya, ma'am, 99% yung pinaka-UV rejection niya, ma'am. Kaya
Hindi
kahit may
naiinit yung house namin.
Yes
Hindi
po.
papasok yung heat.
Yes po.
Oh my gosh.
Ibang-iba siya,
Pwede
ma'am,
mag ang bahay namin.
Much better yun,
Tay!
ma'am.
Okay.
Finished product guys, look. Diba shiny and very linaw na linaw. Oh. Guys, sa room na sila ni Sir PJ. Sa office area po. Yan yung finish na guys.
So, okay guys. Okay, syempre, kailangan sa walk-in closet ko, naka-expel tint din para syempre yung heat hindi pumasok. Syempre, yung mga bags and clothes ko, they're all here. So, syempre, dapat yung heat hindi masyadong pumasok. So, now we're installing the expel tint here sa walk-in closet. Of course, syempre, the whole house, pina-expel tint namin para yung mga rooms hindi maging hot, especially this summer. Okay.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!